All right, we're ready to walk on. Walk on, Gale. Walk on. Good boy. Good boy. Trying to sneak in under the wind here. It's supposed to be ugly windy this afternoon. Think you can trot? Working trot. Good boy. But I've done this out here before. Working trot. That's a boy. Good boy. That's right, good boy. There you go. Don't run into the hay. Turning right is not his favorite thing. Good boy. Now I'll run you into the hay if I have to. Get the point across, son. Okay, now we're going to reverse going the opposite direction than we ever have. New things, new things, new things. That's a good boy. Where are you going? You want to trot? That's a boy, good boy. See, he's far more comfortable going to the left no matter what. Hence left-handed horses. Whoa. Walk on. Walk on. You're going to walk right into the barn. Walk on. He says, but I don't want to go back in the barn. I don't want to quit working. Walk on. Good boy. Come around. Good boy. It's okay. Now back. 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 Come on, back up. That's a good boy. He is back far enough I can get cross tie on him, and it'll be easy to pull him to the other one. Yeah, what am I doing to you, huh? That didn't seem like much of a workout. Can you get over? Gale, get over. That's right, good boy. Get over. No, not toward me. Get over away from me. All new things, huh, buddy? Good boy, right there. That's just right, good boy. And again with the gig tugs that slide from side to side. Whoa. There, we saved it from being a problem, huh? And we'll see how all this fits you. What do you think of that? I can just hear him thinking, well, it's a good thing that we weren't just done. That would have just been stupid. These traces might be about the right length for you, son. Some people don't like to knot their traces because it can put wrinkles and wiggles in the trace. By the time they've driven very far, those wrinkles and wiggles are gone. And as I said in my video yesterday, this overgirth is very long, and so there we go. I have to make a wrap girth in order to work. What a good boy. Run my breeching hold back strap under the trace, through the hold back on the shaft, around the shaft, twice for this size horse, and it will buckle on the fourth hole probably. Now, it looks like my shaft is a little far forward. Problem is, when he starts to move, it's going to move back. So if I, whoa son, and I have enough room to put it under. He's going to say, that's pretty tight. Yeah, it is, but when you start moving, everything will loosen up. And I know he likes his cavesson a little bit looser, and we're going out, and I have no intention of him being in control. Tie you up again for a second. Whoa. As I walked past him, I pulled back on him. Good boy. What a good boy. Look at you standing so quietly. Yes. What a good boy. Yeah, that's a yellow thing slithering toward you, isn't it? That's scary. It's okay. I promise you, it's all right. Whoa, son. When they're young, I moved my stools around by sliding them on the concrete so that they get used to it. What a good boy. That's a very fine boy, Gale. Gale, walk on. Look at you acting like a big broke horse. Yeah. And the breeching is snug enough that when we went over the hill, it did not come up and grab him in the back. And it was a little bit loose yesterday, and when we were down by the tree, it was a little uncomfortable for him. And the wind is coming up, which is nerve-wracking to say the least, but and the other day when we were out here, we discovered that Nikki had stolen my bed socks and buried them in the round pen. I found them both. I took them right back to the barn, put them on a shelf, and she stole one again. So we're keeping our eye out for a red bed sock. What a good boy. Oh, for pity's sakes. You've been around that woodpile your whole life. Easy. Nope. I'm just gonna walk.